Hi there, I'm Miles, and today we're going to get you started with your GOMSCAN 1. In this Getting Started video, we'll be learning how to scan multiple parts at the same time. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There are also chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. Today, we want to scan these 4 parts. To save time, we're going to scan them all simultaneously using our GOMSCAN 1 400 and the GOMROD 350. We're also going to scan the parts without putting any reference points on them. The GOMINSPECT software can transform the measurements of the top and bottom sides of our parts together automatically based on the surface geometry. Inside of the GOMINSPECT software, there's a workflow assistant. There are several workflows which enable the software to walk you through your normal scanning tasks. For this job, we'll select the workflow assistant for scanning multiple parts simultaneously. Once you select the workflow, the software guides you through the next possible steps for your scanning process. As our rotation table already has reference points on it, for the first part of the workflow, the software will measure these reference points for us. Now that our reference points have been measured, we can measure with the rotation table. We set the rotation table to the appropriate number of rotations and begin the scanning process. As we're used to, after the first scan, the software automatically cuts out the background plane. All we need to do is confirm this selection, and the top side of the parts will be measured. Within the Workflow Assistant, the software can determine how many parts you're measuring and partition the working area automatically. In the software, you see the defined areas for each of our parts. Now that we've scanned the top side and separated our parts, we can flip them over to scan the second side. To ensure that you place the parts in the correct position, the software uses augmented reality to assist you. With the parts flipped, we'll scan the rear side with the rotation table. Even though we did not use any reference points on the parts at all, the software can still automatically align each of our 4 parts together based on the part's geometry. With each of our scans properly aligned, we can polygonize our data, and just like that, we've scanned all 4 of our parts at once. These scans can then be used for further tasks such as trend analysis or creating a golden mesh. You'll find more details about these possibilities in the Getting Started videos for GOMINSPECT. If you experience anything different from what you've seen here, or if you have any issues with your GOMSCAN 1, please reach out to us via support@handsonmetrology.com. For more Getting Started information, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.